Ciao, buongiorno, buongiorno because now it's morning here. Hi guys, welcome back to my lesson. This is the lesson number 2. The lesson number 1 is about categories ending in O, A and E. Category ending in O is always about words, masculine words. Category ending in A is about words always feminine, and categories in E are words always words that can be masculine and feminine. Please, before watching this lesson, try to watch the lesson number 1. It's about categories ending in A, O, A and E. Because as I explained to you, in Italian we have 4, 5, 6, I don't remember well, categories, noun categories, okay? And I repeat, this is important to understand the categories, because after these lessons, I will explain to you the article. Italian article is a little bit complicated, so it's important to understand well the categories, okay? Today, I'm going to explain to you the categories ending in Ista, I-S-T-A, Ista. Words ending in Ista are always words that indicate professions, are jobs names. Words in Ista can be masculine and feminine. Not can be, are masculine and feminine. For example, the first words, giornalista, that is journalist, I can say he is a journalist, sorry, lui è un giornalista. I can say she is a journalist, lei è una giornalista. Giornalista masculine, giornalista feminine. Regista, regista is a director, movie director. Lei è una regista, she's a director. Lui è un regista, he is a director. So, artista, tennista, turista, dentista. Artista is an artist, she's an artist. Lei è un artista. He is an artist. Lui è un artista. Tennista is a tennis player. Sorry. She's a tennis player. Lei è una tennista. He is a tennis player. Lui è un tennista. Turista, tourist. Dentista, dentist. She or he is dentista. Okay, this is the singular form, okay? Masculine and feminine singular form. In the plural form, there is a difference, because the masculine form is isti. The feminine form is iste. In the plural form, okay? So, if we have giornalista, lui è un giornalista, he is a journalist, they are journalists, they are giornalisti, if they are men. Okay? In the feminine form, in the plural form, it's iste, I-S-T-A, iste. So, giornalisti, masculine, plural, giornaliste, feminine, plural. Okay? So, ista, singular, masculine and feminine, isti, plural, masculine, only masculine, iste, plural, only feminine. Regista, registi, registe. Regista, movie director. Lui è un regista, lei è una regista. He is a director, she is a director. Those men are directors. Quegli uomini sono registi. Those women are directors. Quelle donne sono registe. Okay? So, giornalista, journalist, regista, director, artista, artist, tennista, tennis player, turista, tourist, dentista, dentists. Singular, masculine and feminine. Plural form, masculine, giornalisti, registi, artisti, tennisti, turisti, dentisti. Feminine, plural form, giornaliste, registe, artiste, tenniste, turiste, dentiste. Okay, hope everything is clear. Please watch the lesson number 1 about categories ending in A, O, A, and E. I repeat, O is masculine, A is feminine, and E is feminine and masculine. I mean, a word ending in E can be masculine and feminine. Please watch the video. And the plural form of categories ending in O is I, O, I. Category in A is E, so A, E. And category ending in E is I, so E, I. You have to watch this video, please, to understand the categories well and then understand very well the article when I'm going to explain to you in the next lessons. Please, if you have any questions or any doubts and or if you want to ask me for some details, please write down below in the comments or text to me to the following WhatsApp number, that is 0039 338 9228 520. Okay? Hope to see you again. In the next lesson, I'm going to explain you the category ending with a consonant. Words that finish with a consonant. And then we see the article, because the article is very important in Italian. Thank you for your attention. Arrivederci, a presto, alla prossima lezione. See you to the next lesson. Bye bye, ciao a tutti, buona giornata. Ciao!